Assalamualaikum. My name is Asil Adil and welcome to our channel The Pro Gamer. So guys, in this part number 14, Subway Surfers, we are gonna play with Tag Bot first and do 20,000 target. After that, we will play with Tricky and she has to do 25,000 target. Oh, so now let's play. In this video, and I will also tell you in this video about the last video we talked about gifts. So guys, my brother told me about marble balls, but then I think that the people could not guess correctly and then they would have problems. So now we are changing the target. We are gonna give you hardball bats, cricket kits and many more etc. if you answered us correctly. So guys, first you have to do is that when I upload the video, you have to watch my video, like to our channel and subscribe and share the videos with other people. After this all, you have to do just one thing. Watch my all videos and then tell me I have completed your series of Subway Surfers. Then you can comment me and I will reply you. And I will arrange a room for you. And this room is only for the first 6 luckiest people. I hope so that you will be in. So guys, please hurry up and do the all things. And you have to also call your friends in this challenge, because this wouldn't be fair that only you should do. Everyone should have a chance. So if any person is interested, he can also come. And now the question would be that when will it all happen? So guys, when we will make the part 20, the last part of Subway Surfers, after that we are gonna do these all things. Okay, so guys, we have done 10,000 run and Tag Bot I guess 20,000 run or 18,000 run. Now guys, I will tell you that the benefits of it. So guys, we are not joking first of all, and the benefits would be that you can win your favorite prize. It could be bat ball, hard ball kit or any sport item. So guys, I want to know that who those first 6 luckiest people are. And guys, I will repeat the steps so that you can be clear. So guys, what you have to do is that go to our channel, like our videos and subscribe and share with your at least best friend and make him in the challenge. After that, subscribe to our channel. This is a mystery box. 800 coins. Okay. And we have completed our target 18,000 and Tag Bot has completed. Now let's check if Lucy can add again. Okay, so guys, what was I saying? Let's come back now. Okay guys, the thing that I was saying is that what you have to do is like, share and subscribe to our channel. After that, you have to watch the series. If you are unclear to me, I will repeat my steps again, and sorry for being unclear. So guys, you have to go to the channel The Pro Gamer, like my videos, share with your at least best friend and tell him to get in the contest and subscribe. And beware, be the 6 luckiest people to get inside the challenge. The gifts can be hardball bat, cricket kit, football bat and football kit or any other thing. It can be any of thing. So you have to do these all things if you want to win the gifts. And guys, when will the room appear? Guys, the room of Subway Surfers will appear after my last video Subway Surfers, which means after 20th video, I will see that who have commented me. And guys, if none of you had commented me about this all thing, then I am sorry, the gift could be declined. So right today is 8 June and the last day for it is 12 June to do all of these things. So guys, please share the videos with other people, because there is a sharing contest. The person who will win this will also give high awards. But however, after Subway Surfer challenge, I will explain you the sharing contest clearly. So now let's come back to Subway Surfers now. So guys, we have done 9600 and these types of run. 10,000 run completed. 292 coins done. Tricky has to do 20,000 run and everything. And guys, the second and the biggest thing is that I promise you all that I will unlock Ninja, and we all will, and you all will, see Ninja playing in Subway Surfers. We have left a mystery box, and I think so Tricky did not complete the target. And 1000 coins of season hunt reward. Okay, 16,000. Sorry about that guys if you did not understand. And guys, if you want to get in this, I have told you all the steps that you have to follow. This brings the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, now I will meet you in Subway Surfers part number 15, and we are gonna get live on that. Till then, goodbye and take care.